Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you on how to download and install WhatsApp in PC or laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Begin by opening a web browser and navigating to the official WhatsApp website by typing WhatsApp web into the address bar. Once you're on the WhatsApp web page, find and click on the download button, usually prominently displayed on the site. On the download page, select the appropriate download option for your operating system, Windows or Mac. Click the download button next to your operating system to start the download process. The download may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder or the location where your files are saved. Double-click on the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. You will see a screen displaying a QR code. To link your mobile WhatsApp account with your PC, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Go to the Settings menu, tap on the three dots in the top right corner or the gear icon, depending on your device, and select Link Devices or WhatsApp Web Desktop. Tap on Link a Device and use your mobile camera to scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, your WhatsApp account will be linked to your PC. You can now access your messages, contacts, and use all the features of WhatsApp on your PC, just as you would on your mobile device. So that's basically how to download and install WhatsApp in PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.